Hey friends, if you're facing unable to open exe file, so follow these steps. First of all, open cmd, just type here cmd and just click on run as administrator. After open cmd, just type here gp update /force and hit the enter button. After finishing this process, just close this window and again drag your mouse to search box, type here registry editor and just click on run as administrator. After open registry editor, just expand hkey classic root and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see .exe option. Just click on it and just right click on default option, click on modify, just type this exe file small letter and just click on ok and close this window, and again select .exe and type exe file. Here you can see the exe file, and now double left click on default option and cut this application and just type 1 and click on ok and just close this window and expand the exe file like this and expand the shell option like this, and just select open option and just double click on default option and again value 1 and just click on ok and close this window and follow the second method. The second method is check your windows updates, check your windows operating updates. If showing windows updates, just update your operating system. After updating your operating system, I hope your problem is solved. If not solved, follow the next method. Just drag your mouse to search box, type here again cmd and just click on run as administrator, and now type here sfc /scan now and hit the enter button on your keyboard. So it will take 15 to 20 minutes. Be patient and wait. After finishing this process, just close this window and reboot your system, and I hope your problem is solved. So thanks for watching.